My little wren is finished, and once done, I felt compelled to make a swallow. I have been watching the swallows since they returned. The welcome swallow usually migrates around 1,000 kilometers from the northern part of Australia to the eastern and southeastern states during winter. Last winter, I fell under the bird's spell for the first time. In parklands and reserves here, I watch the bird. They are captivating, I can tell you. They fly swiftly, often in circles, with their long wings splayed, hunting for insects in the grass below. As they fly under the sun's rays, their metallic royal blue feathers, located on their upper back, flicker like blue electric flames. Often I find myself moving in concert with them, spinning in circles and feeling wilder and free. Last weekend I traveled south and to the edge of the world. By the ocean, I feel a sense of calm. It is medicine for me, particularly when I am tired and overwhelmed. And when I am close to Mother Ocean, I remember that life is made up of ebbs and flows. Change is constant. Much to my delight, the swallows greeted me by the ocean. They were casting their magic across the landscape, along with the singing honey-eater. During my time away, I also stumbled on a beautiful abridged version of Thumbelina, illustrated by John Patience. I have fallen in love with John's illustrations, especially of the moment when the tiny maiden Thumbelina meets the swallow. Thumbelina saves the swallow, and in return, he helps her escape a mole who wishes to marry her. The bird carries her to a distant land in the summer, and there she meets the Prince of Flowers. Swallows are truly magicians of the sky. They can help us unlock our inner child and set free our wildest dreams, leading us towards prosperity and good fortune. Many blessings to you, Wonder Weavers. Take care, stay well, and if you can, find a moment or two to enjoy the delights of nature. Chiri.